the last video, we saw the materials that are used to make temporary magnets. These are in fact the ferromagnetic materials. It means that they are strongly attracted to the magnet. Let me show you an easy process to make a temporary magnet. The process is very simple. We take any object made up of any one of these materials. Let's take an iron nail. Bring it near one of the poles of a magnet so that the nail is vertically hanging from it as shown. There you go, you made your temporary magnet. This nail acts like a temporary magnet. To verify, just bring any lightweight ferromagnetic object in front of it and you will find it getting attracted by the first nail. But how did this happen? It became a magnet because we kept it under an external magnetic field produced by this magnet. This field magnetized our iron nail. But for how long will this nail retain its magnetism? If you take it away from the external magnetic field, it will lose its magnetic properties. As soon as you take it away from the magnetic field, you actually performed demagnetization. It is the opposite of magnetization. In simple words, demagnetization is a process in which the magnetic material is demagnetized. Hence, iron is used to make temporary magnets. There is one more way in which we can magnetize iron. But this time, let's take another non-magnetic object, say this iron bar. We will magnetize this iron bar by rubbing it with a magnet. How will we do it? Well, first, we will draw a horizontal line along the length of this non-magnetized iron bar. Then we take one of the poles of a magnet and rub it along this line only in one direction. Yes, it's important that we're rubbing in one direction. Rub it for around 30 to 40 times. Bring an iron nail or any other ferromagnetic object nearer, the bar will attract to it. The more you rub it, the longer it will retain its magnetism. So these are the two ways in which one can magnetize iron objects. Not only iron, you can also magnetize objects of nickel, cobalt and steel which contain iron using the two simple processes we saw. Let us now talk about permanent magnets a bit. I haven't told you what materials they are made up of. The most commonly used permanent magnets are made up of alnico. It's a compound made up of aluminium, nickel and cobalt. We know that nickel and cobalt are also used to make temporary magnets. However, if we mix them together along with aluminium, then we get a permanent magnet. Another type of permanent magnet is called the neodymium magnets. These are the strongest permanent magnets. They are made up of neodymium, iron and boron. These are the two most common types of permanent magnets, the ones made up of alnico and the neodymium magnets. You will learn more about temporary and permanent magnets in your higher grades. We will see you in the next video.